Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to hide highlights on Instagram from someone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay, after that you want to click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. So now you want to scroll down until you see the story settings, but if your option is like mine that says hide story and live, just go ahead and click on that. But if you have the story option, after you click the story option, you can see the hide story from, so just go ahead and click on that. It is the same option, okay? So just go ahead and click on that and now search for the user's name that you want to hide from your highlights. So like that, and click on done. So when you refresh your Instagram and you go back on that section, you can see that that user is now hide from your highlights. So that's it. That is how you hide someone on your highlights on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.